How to hide hotspot icon in status bar on Android. So if you want to hide your hotspot icon in your status bar on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your control center, and here you will have hotspot icon. So if you want to hide this hotspot icon from your status bar or from your control center, then what you can do is just simply go with the pencil shaped icon, which will be in the top right, and from here you need to go and remove the hotspot icon. So scroll down, and once you find your hotspot, you need to just simply tap on the red icon on the top right. Just simply tap on the minus, and your hotspot will be removed. That's how you can remove from your status bar or from your control center. Or the other solution is you can open up your Play Store, and here you can just simply go and search for an application, which is Good Lock. Once you find the application, you can just simply go and install it. It might only be available on Samsung Galaxy devices, but you also have some alternatives for your other Android devices. You can just simply go and install the application and use it to hide your hotspot icon in your status bar. That's it. These were the few ways on how you can hide your hotspot icon in your status bar on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.